Yo, yo, yo. Listen, gone are the days when healthy meant sacrifices. It was gross and bland and hard and expensive for that matter. We have reached a new era where those dishes can be just as delicious as other dishes. So let's make something healthier. Welcome to Mama Reubo's Kitchen. Today, we're getting into cauliflower. Now, by the way, is it just me or did it just spring onto the health scene in a new light out of nowhere? First, it's like broccoli and zucchini, and then bam, cauliflower busts into the room like, hi, I'm nutritious, eat me now. That being said, here's a recipe for cauliflower bites with 2 sauces to add. First, we're gonna line a baking sheet with some parchment paper, and then we're gonna spread on top of it 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna toast these in a 350-degree oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, just mixing it around a little bit so everything gets evenly toasted. Remove and let cool slightly. While those are toasting, now we're gonna cut or tear the cauliflower into bite-sized pieces. Now beat the egg in water and make an egg wash. Dip the cauliflower in the egg wash and let it drain really well. The breadcrumbs won't adhere very well if there's excess egg. Coat the cauliflower in the breadcrumbs and press lightly just to make sure they stick. Place these on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. While those are baking, let's make the 2 sauces. The first one is going to be a garlic honey sriracha sauce. What you will need is 6 cloves of garlic, minced, a half a cup of honey, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. You can use less or more depending on your spicy index. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and you can also use low sodium soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 5 tablespoons of water, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Now in a small bowl, add the water and the cornstarch, mix and then set aside. To a saucepan or pot, add the garlic, the honey, the sriracha sauce, the soy sauce, and the lime juice. Mix and then bring it to a simmer. Once it's at a simmer, add the cornstarch mixture and mix constantly. Allow the mixture to boil and thicken for about 2 minutes. The second sauce is going to be a general Tso Sauce. What you will need is 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger, minced, a half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, again, you can use low sodium, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar or honey, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. In a mixing bowl, mix the vinegar, the soy sauce, the hoisin sauce, the water, the sugar, and the cornstarch, and then mix and set aside. Heat the oil in a medium saucepan or pot. Add the ginger, the chili flakes, and the garlic, and saute for about 1 minute. Add the sauce mixture and allow it to thicken for about 1 minute. Once it gets to the consistency you desire, remove it from the heat and then set it aside. Now we're gonna divide the batch of the cauliflower in half, and we're gonna add the garlic honey sriracha to the one, and we're gonna add the general Tso's to the other. And now it's time to enjoy this deliciously healthier dish. See, with dishes like this, healthy isn't so hard or gross or expensive. It's deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe if you liked being here, and comment below any healthy dishes or healthy items that you found or that you have tried. You can connect on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.